Hello and thank you for joining us today on the Legacy brand coin ring tool channel. My name is Gary and today we're taking a look at the 17-degree double-sided folding die set from Legacy brand. Let's take a closer look. These coin ring reduction folding dies are machined from heat treated and hardened 17-4 stainless steel and laser engraved on the side so you can tell what size and degree they are. Legacy's double-sided reduction and folding dies are available individually or in a 5-piece set. 17-degree reduction folding dies are commonly used for folding coins to make into rings. Here's what comes with the 17-degree 5-piece die set. You get a 0.7, 0.8, which is commonly used for the dimes or the pennies. Pennies fit flush right on top. The next one is a 0.9 by 1 inch, 17-degree die. These are all double-sided dies. For this particular one, it's made for the quarter to go right in there. Turn it over and it's ready for the nickel. The next size die is a 1.1 by 1.2 inch, very commonly used for the $half that sits just inside the taper of that 17-degree on top. The next die is a 1.3, 1.4, which is used for whenever you reduce something like a little larger coin, it goes down to the next size to continue your fold. The next size die is a 1.5 and 1.6 inch die, which is commonly used for the Morgan silver dollar that fits just inside the lip right there. The other side of this die is perfect for the silver eagle and also works very well for your 1-ounce copper rounds. Also available from Legacy is the extra large 17-degree die, which is 1.7 and 1.8 inch for folding the large coins such as challenge coins. This one happens to be a 1.8 and it fits right inside the lip just like that. These 17-degree folding dies can be purchased individually as a 5-piece set, as a 6-piece set which includes the cone so you can get started folding coins right away. Also from Legacy, they make a Delrin Cone. The Delrin Cone is nice at the end of a fold, so whenever you're pressing down in a coin, you don't have to use any Teflon tape. Let's take a look at folding one of these coins. Let's take the quarter, place it in our second die, which I believe this one is the 1-inch die. Put the quarter in there. And the work of technology and the magic, we're going to make a hole in this one right here. Ready? Boom! There it is. A quarter with a hole right in it. Legacy's punch is so amazing, it punched a hole right in it just like that. Let's take it over to our arbor press and fold this quarter. Here at the arbor press we have our 1-inch 17-degree die with our quarter that's been freshly punched with a 1/2-inch punch from Legacy brand. They punch perfectly centered. Make sure you have your coin annealed before you go to punch and also before you fold. I'm going to place this in here face down. My die is lubricated with coconut oil to make the fold go smoother as pressing down. So I'm going to place it in there, the outside of the ring facing down. I'm going to start my fold with a starting cone that looks like this. Starting cones are a smaller cone, they're a little bit wider, and it begins your fold a little more straight when you start to fold. So we press down a little bit with our starting cone, like so. Keeping an eye on what's going on in there. You don't want to press the cone up against the coin. Dump it out in your hand. And you have a coin that looks like this. Now I'm going to continue my fold. I'm going to place it back in there once again. With my large cone, place it in there like that. Now on this coin, being a clad coin, which is not silver, I'm not too worried about protecting the coin itself with Teflon. Teflon will roll like this, which you get with one of your cones when you purchase one of those from Legacy. You wrap your cone and it'll protect the inside of your coin when you press down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press slowly down, watching inside my die, The cone is getting very close to the inside. I'm going to stop right there. Dump this back out here in my hand and take a look at it. Our fold is looking quite well. And let's see how close we got to our cone. Yeah, pretty close to the edge of the cone. So I'm going to show you just real quick what happens when you use a Delrin cone. When you place it back in there like that, let's finish our fold using our Delrin. Put it in there like that. Put in the Delrin cone. Go ahead and press it on down. It works just like the steel cone, but of course we don't have to worry about any detail loss on the inside at all. Now we look at our cone with our fold on there, and it's folded right up against the cone with no damage at all on the inside. Okay, let's take this quarter now and begin to reduce it to make it into a ring. Okay, what I've done to the coin now is I have annealed the coin again. I put it on my ring stretcher and I open up the cut side up to about a size 8.5, and I have annealed it once again, and I have my die turned over. Here's the side we folded with. So I turn the die over to the smaller side, place my ring in there with the reed side down, and what you do is you press down with your ram head just like that to bring in those sides of that coin, which is wider on the bottom side. If you don't have a ram head like this, use something like one of these to place under your ram to press down. Let's go ahead and press down and see how it comes out. So let's press down a little bit here. Take our coin out of our die and take a look at it. Looking pretty good. Looks like it needs to be reduced just a little bit more. Let's go ahead and do so. Press it down. It's a little smaller on that side than this side. Let's flip it over. Press down this side. And we have ourselves a coin ring. I've deburred our quarter on the inside. Gave it a little bit of steel wool polish on the outside to clean it up. Steel wool the punch side a little bit, and it's ready to be worn.